Hey guys, I'm back doing another video here. This time we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be working on my 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. It's going to get a complete overhaul. We're going to be doing new headlights, tail lights, grill, paint all the chrome on it, pull the tires off of it and paint the rims. Probably go with a little bigger tires. Get rid of the running boards, probably black out all the chrome handles and the chrome trim, the chrome mirror caps and the trim around the windows. The gas cap, there's all kinds of rust. It's been just going for years back here now. I've just been painting it and breaking it off and painting it, but I'm actually going to cut it all out and get the pieces all welded back in there and paint it all up and try to figure out the rear lighting problem that we have going on, where we got signal lights on one side and running lights on the other, which with these tail lights they're actually all, I'll show you, they're all the same bulbs for all of it, which are they're just red ones in here. They're all brake lights, running lights, and signal lights are all the same light bulbs. And then I got a wiring problem here where it melted these and the lenses are all shot anyway, so I'll put a new set of headlights in. And then we got this grill is all broken, so that'll be replaced. Probably throw leveling kit at the least, maybe a little bit of a lift, 4-inch maybe lift in here, get it sitting up a little higher. The transmission's gone, completely gone, and I have no forward gears anymore, just reverse. So unfortunately we'll be pulling that out too, so it'll be out of commission for a long time, up on jack stands, and find a new transmission for it. Probably going to put it's got a 4L60E in it, and there's a place out of Winnipeg that they build a 4L60E HD, it's called, where it's just a heavier duty transmission built to take a little more beating. Lots of people have had good results with those, so I'll probably put one of those in. Get one ordered up here soon, hopefully. And yeah, I'll probably pull these running boards off just because it makes it look a little lower to the ground with them, and I don't use them to get in anyway, so I don't think I need them. And I'll do a little bit of paint touch up here and there. The bottom of the door is starting to rust, so I'll probably clean that up before it gets too bad while it's in here. And same with right here, there's a spot, it's getting pretty rusted out. All the rims are all flaked and chipping here. You can see here where there looks like there used to be a weight there or something, and then just all the spots around here that are all gone. Tires are actually in fairly good condition. There's still quite a bit left in them, but gonna find a new mud flap because I blew this rear mud flap is ripped off. I backed over a curb with it and it got pinched in between the curb and the tire because it's not up high enough, and ripped right off. And that's it. I mean, the paint in the body is in fairly good shape other than a few paint chips. There's a rock chip right there I just noticed actually, and one here. But other than that, the paint's fairly clean. Bumper is, the support's missing on this side, so it doesn't hang quite level. And then I'm going to try to find a new plastic trim piece for here. This one got broken and just got some zip tie stitching back holding it on there. But it has a new engine in it as of January or February this year, so that's all good to go. The truck has 202,000 kilometers on it, I think, now, and it's about time for an overhaul. So it'll be probably make quite a few videos of different things here, pulling the headlights out and the tail lights out, and maybe doing some painting and body work. Get maybe do a lift install video, and I'll show you guys where it's all at eventually once it's done. And for now, the dually's sitting back over there, just out of commission for a while. Still haven't safetied it, still haven't put an exhaust on it yet, but hopefully get that done soon here before the snow comes, because it'll be parked in no time. And then yeah, I got a few more things to figure out on it. It's got, sometimes it has a fuel level, sometimes it's just empty, which is when you put $100 worth of gas in it, it should say a little more than full, or a little more than empty, sorry. But yeah, we'll just make another update video once I get some work done underway here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.